What's up, guys? Welcome to Blaze Garage. Beautiful, green, rainy day at Thunderhill West. We are driving the M4, doing the Time Attack Series first round. Should be fun. It's wet out. It'll be interesting. Gonna be working on this year, messing more with the suspension damping. Last year, really didn't mess with it. I literally lost a knob to my two-way non-remotes and didn't mess with it at all. So that's not good. That's not what you want to be doing when you buy fancy suspension. So I gotta get that dialed. I downloaded a new little like race app for my phone to kind of keep track of it, which is cool. And yeah, we're gonna go out there, throw it on a wet lap time. I don't know if it's gonna dry up today. Like honestly, they say maybe, but we need to get quite a bit of sun, so it'll be fun. So we got the supercharged S2K out there. That dude's really fast. It's gonna be the main competition today. Plus we got Justin out there today in the Lexus RCF. That thing's gone through a big transformation. We got these things coated out. We're gonna see what happens today. It is wet out. Changing it up a little bit. I gave the rear full aero. Damper settings maybe a bit too soft on compression in the rear with the full aero. I have no idea. Going with efficient throttle since it's wet, so it'll be a little more, well, won't be as touchy, so it should be able to roll into the throttle a little bit better. Traction control off. I don't like traction control on even in the wet because I need to do corrections. I need throttle to counter steer. If it cuts me down on throttle to counter steer, bad things can happen. That's how I feel about it. I always drive the car with traction control off and I feel very comfortable with that. Car is tuned now. It has more power, a lot more power on the top end and all that. We'll have to get some heat into these tires to kind of see how it goes, but it should be really fun. We got 4 minutes until this round starts. Comfort on the steering as well. And then with the shifting, Misha from, you know, Nürburgring. I always see when they run their cars on Nürburgring, they're always in the second fastest shift mode. I almost always run it in full sport plus. This is my dry mode. Full sport plus, comfort steering, and full fastness on this guy right here. But like I said, because it's wet, I'm gonna change it up, and I might try this when it dries up. Hopefully when it dries up, I might try this in the second mode if I like it, because this car shifts very, very hard. So I'm hoping that tends to not break it loose as hard. That would be the goal there. I don't know. We will see. So I'm also very confused why I'm in limited class and there's not an unlimited class. That is kind of weird.
All right, we'll lay down a massive burnout, but huge shout out to Keys Motorsports again. Links in the description to all the mods that oversteer to a little bit of more oversteer to lots of understeer. Trying to get some heat in the tires, so I was on some rain tires, but man, this thing was not working with me. I was just trying to get heat in those fronts, having a good time. You guys will see how the wet grip was very, very limited. It was raining, lots of standing water on the track, fairly cold out. I think it was about 47 degrees out, so man, getting heat in the tires was not really happening. But this is the warm-up lap, so like I said, trying to get heat in the tires, seeing how the car is reacting, trying to lay the power down, and having a good old time. So hope you guys enjoy this. I'll just let you watch me slide this thing around and try to put down a decent lap time, because I wasn't sure if it was going to be wet all day. But following video coming up for you guys will be a dry session, no more wet sessions, and yeah, that went a lot better. And that does it for the end of this session. Waving black at all the stands. Unfortunately, Justin went off right here. You'll see him in the Lexus. Hello, Justin. How you doing? And that's the end of that session. Hope you guys enjoyed. More to come. We will have a nice, good, fast session coming up. I'll be posting that next. Later.